Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Edge Playbook. Today we'll talk about positive expected value or EV betting, and we'll just cover what EV is and why bets typically have negative EV, and we'll share more about our principles for finding good bets with positive EV in the following video. So let's get started. So what is expected value? Expected value is the payout times the win probability, and any EV excess of 100% is called a positive EV bet. We typically express 105% EV as a plus 5 EV. So let's illustrate EV with a simple mathematical example. Let's say we go to a casino and place a fair coin bet. The odd that the casino gives us is plus 110. This never happens. And we know the probability of the coin toss turning head is 50%. So if we place a $100 bet, we will make 110 plus 100 times 50%, which is $105 on expected value, which gives us a plus EV of 5%. Now let's say we have another bet at a casino where a fair dice turns up the number 1. The odd that the casino gives us is plus 470, and the probability of winning is 1 over 6 or 1 over 16%. And so the EV here would be, if we do the math, $95 return on a $100 bet, which gives us a minus EV of 5%. So not a good bet to place if you do see something like this. So just like casinos, sports betting is typically negative EV because sport betting books have to underprice their odds in order to get some juice and vig from its users across both sides. So sports betting is typically negative EV because sports books adjust the payout to match the projected probability of winning, and they take a little bit of a cut. Because of this, odds are lower than fair, typically minus 5 to minus 10% lower, to make sure that sportsbooks win in the long run. So for example, a 50-50 proposition would have a minus 110 odds, but a fair odd would actually be plus 100. So don't just place a bet randomly, because a player's alpha isn't enough to overcome the house edge, and most bets have a negative EV with every wager. All these three components result in negative EV compounding in the long run to ruin a player's bankroll. But don't lose hope, there are ways to get positive EV bets, and in our next video we'll talk about positive EV betting so that you can find consistently positive EV bets and unlock the power of compounding. Be sure to check it out. See you!